Coordinate geometry, exercise 7.3, first question. Find the area of the triangle 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 2, minus 4. Now look at the question. Here they have given the coordinates of a vertices of a triangle. Suppose ABC is a triangle. Okay? ABC, it is a triangle. The vertices of A is 2, 3. And the vertices of B is minus 1, 0. And the vertices of C is 2, minus 4. By using these data, we have to find out the area of a triangle. Here, we know that A is equal to half into x1, y2 minus y3 plus x2, y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. This formula we have to use when the coordinates of a vertices is given, right? There are three formulas to find out the area of a triangle. That is, the basic formula is A is equal to half into base into height. This formula when we will use? When we know the value of base and height, right? In the same way, we have Heron's formula to find out the area of a triangle. But when we will use that? When we know the length of its sides of a triangle, right? This formula when we will use? When we know the coordinates of a vertices of a triangle. This formula is used to find out the area of a triangle, okay? So, don't get confused. Look at this. Here they have given the coordinates of a vertices of a triangle. So, we are using this formula, okay? Now, first let me write the values of x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. See here, this is our x1, y1, okay? That is, x1 is 2. y1 is 3. This is our x2, y2. That is x2 is minus 1, y2 is 0. This is our x3, y3. That is the value of x3 is 2 and y3 is minus 4. Now let us substitute these values in this formula, okay? That is A is equal to half into x1, the value of x1 is 2. 2 into y2 minus y3. y2 is what? 0. 0. For this minus, let us write minus. y3, the value of y3 is minus 4. So let us take this in the bracket. Minus 4 plus x2, the value of x2 is minus 1. So let me take this in the bracket. Bracket y3, the value of y3 is minus 4. For this minus, let us write minus. y1, the value of y1 is 3 plus x3, the value of x3 is 2. Bracket y1, the value of y1 is 3. 3 minus y2. y2 is 0. Okay. Now let us simplify. Area is equal to half into 2. Say 0. Minus into minus is plus 4. Okay. For this plus, let us write plus. Let me take this minus 1 in the bracket. Minus 4 minus 3 is what? Minus 7. Isn't it? For this plus, let us write plus. 3 minus 0 is 3. That is 2 into 3. Okay. A is equal to half into 2 4s are 8. Here plus minus into minus is what? Plus. Look at this carefully. For this plus, I have written plus. Minus into minus is plus. 1 into 7 is 7. Therefore, it is plus 7. Plus 2 3s are 6. Okay. That is A is equal to half into 8 plus 7 plus 6 is 21. Okay, let me continue here. A is equal to half, that is 1 into 21 is 21. 21 divided by 2. Okay, this is our answer. 21 divided by 2. Since we are finding the area, we will write square. But here I cannot write centimeter or meter because we don't know. So let us write square units. Okay, this is our answer. Hope you have understood. Now let us do the second question. Okay, now I am going to rub this, you can copy down. Now let us solve the second question. Find the area of the triangle -5, -1, 3, -5, 5, 2. Here also we have to find out the area of a triangle and they have given the coordinates of vertices of a triangle. Okay. Suppose ABC is a triangle and the coordinate of A is -5, -1 and the coordinate of B is 3, -5 and the coordinate of C is 5, 2. Okay. Now this is our x1, y1. Therefore the value of x1 is -5 and y1 is -1 and this is our x2, y2. The value of x2 is 3 and y2 is -5 and the value of x3 is 5 and y3 is 2. We know that when the coordinates of vertices of a triangle is given, we have to use A is equal to half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. We have to use this formula to find out the area of a triangle. Okay. Now let us substitute the value in this. A is equal to half into x1. The value of x1 is -5. So let me take this in the bracket. -5 bracket y2. The value of y2 is -5. -5. For this minus, let us write minus. y3. The value of y3 is 2. Plus x2. The value of x2 is 3. Bracket. y3 is 2. Minus y1 is -1. So let me take this in the bracket. Okay. -1. For this plus, let me write plus. x3. The value of x3 is 5. Bracket. y1. The value of y1 is -1. For this minus, let us write minus. y2. The value of y2 is -5. So let us take this in the bracket. Now let us simplify. A is equal to half into -5. Let me write as it is. -5 minus 2 is what? -7 plus 3 here 2. Minus into minus is plus 1. 2 minus into minus is plus 1. Therefore it is 3. Okay. Therefore 2 minus of -1 is 3 plus 5. Now look at this carefully. -1 minus into minus is plus 5. -1 plus 5 is what? Plus 4. Okay. Therefore let me write 4. A is equal to half into -5 into -7. Minus into minus is plus. 7 5s or 5 7s are 35. Plus 3 3s are 9 plus 5 4s are 20. A is equal to half into 35 plus 9 plus 20 is 64. Okay. Let me continue here. A is equal to half into 64. Half into 64. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 twos are 4. A is equal to 32. Since it is area, we will write square. But we don't know the units, meter, centimeter. So let us write square unit. Okay. Square units. Hope you have understood. Thank you.